Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. Today we'll be talking about Azure Function. Let's understand what is Azure Function. Azure Functions allows you to run small pieces of code called functions without worrying about application infrastructure. With Azure Functions, the cloud infrastructure provides all the up-to-date servers you need to keep your application running at scale. A function is triggered by a specific type of event. Supported triggers include responding to changes in data, responding to messages, running on a schedule, or as the result of an HTTP request. While you can always code directly against a myriad of services, integrating with other services is streamlined by using bindings. Bindings give you declarative access to a wide variety of Azure and third-party services. Some key features of Azure Functions include serverless applications. Functions allow you to develop serverless applications on Microsoft Azure. Choice of language. Write functions using your choice of C#, Java, JavaScript, Python, and PowerShell. Pay-per-use pricing model. Pay only for the time spent running your code. See the consumption hosting plan option in the pricing section. Bring your own dependencies. Functions support NuGet and NPM, giving you access to your favorite libraries. Integrated security. Protect HTTP-triggered functions with OAuth providers such as Azure Active Directory, Facebook, Google, Twitter, and Microsoft Account. Simplified integration. Easily integrate with Azure Services and Software as a Service (SaaS) offerings. Flexible development. Set up continuous integration and deploy your code through GitHub, Azure DevOps Services, and other supported development tools. Stateful serverless architecture. Orchestrate serverless applications with durable functions. Open source. The function's runtime is open source and available on GitHub. Let's understand what can I do with Azure Functions? Functions are a great solution for processing bulk data, integrating systems, working with the Internet of Things (IoT), and building simple APIs and microservices. A series of templates are available to get you started with key scenarios including HTTP – run code based on HTTP requests. Timer – schedule code to run at predefined times. Azure Cosmos DB – process new and modified Azure Cosmos DB documents. Blob storage – process new and modified Azure Storage blobs. Queue storage – respond to Azure Storage queue messages. Event grid – respond to Azure Event Grid events via subscriptions and filters. Event Hub – respond to high volumes of Azure Event Hub events. Service Bus Queue – connect to other Azure or on-premises services by responding to Service Bus Queue messages. Service Bus Topic – connect other Azure services or on-premises services by responding to Service Bus Topic messages. Let's understand how much do Azure Functions cost. Azure Functions has three kinds of pricing plans. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Consumption plan. Azure provides all of the necessary computational resources. You don't have to worry about resource management, and only pay for the time that your code runs. Premium plan. You specify the number of pre-warmed instances that are always online and ready to immediately respond. When your function runs, Azure provides any additional computational resources that are needed. You pay for the pre-warmed instances running continuously and any additional instances you use as Azure scales your app in and out. App Service Plan. Run your functions just like your web apps. If you use App Service for your other applications, your functions can run on the same plan at no additional cost. Hope you enjoyed our audio book about Azure Functions. For more audiobooks, please check our site www.cloudaudiobooks.in or download Cloud Expert app from Google Play Store. Hey, don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.